What's up, bro? Got your Dutch bros right here.
Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it.
Bro. All right, boys. So here's the motor that was in the Evo. Let me show you guys why the Evo was so freaking cheap. All right, so this short block right here is actually from a DSM. This is a DSM 4G64 short block, and the fucking head is actually not even like a Mitsubishi part. It's actually from a fucking Kia, and you guys can see right here on the side. There's actually a Hyundai and Kia fucking emblem on the fucking head. So that's why this Evo was so fucking cheap. Damn. Everything else is Evo though. Evo tranny. Where's the Evo tranny at? Yeah, Evo tranny. Evo T-case. Everything else is Evo though. It's all good. Look at this engine bay. Damn. What's good, boys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, my fucking car came with a 4G64 that came from an Eclipse. I just said F all that, and I just bought a whole new 4G63 that was built. And in this video, you're actually gonna see it being assembled. The only reason I've been delayed was because, like, parts. If you built a race car before, you know that parts and getting the parts is like the worst fucking part. Like, you gotta wait for the shipping, you gotta wait for availability, and like the whole process just sucks, man. It sucks. For an example, on Thursday I went over to Mitsubishi and I fucking walked in there, went over to the parts section, and I talked to the dude. I was like, yo, I need this. It's the very last part to my engine before it's like 100% complete, and it's the oil pickup tube that goes into the oil pan. And I showed him the picture of it, gave him the part number and everything. He walked to the back, and then he came back with a paper invoice, and he showed me it was $45 to order bolts and gaskets and everything included. And I needed to overnight it because I needed it by like Friday. Like it was Thursday, I needed it by Friday so I could fucking drop in the motor by today, which is Saturday, 420. Oh yeah, happy 420, by the way, guys. You know what I'm about to do after this video. The dude charged me $20 for overnight, and the part was $45. So I was like, fuck it, I don't care. I'll just overnight it. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? Like, right? Like, if you need something, like, you're just gonna have to fucking pay for it. Like, if you need it ASAP. So I overnighted it, and come back Friday like noon, and walk up to the window, ring that little fucking bell that they have. I wait for like 5 minutes, and then the dude fucking walks out. He was like, hey buddy, we don't have your fucking part. My guys didn't order it yesterday. I'm like, what? Are you serious? Like, what the hell? I paid $20 to overnight that part, and then which I needed like ASAP. It's not even like about the $20 that I paid for. It's just like I have to delay everything by 3 days now. It's gonna get here Monday. My car should be ready by Monday, realistically, if this part got here Friday, but it's not. It's gonna get here. It's gonna get here by Monday, and my car's gonna end up getting dropped in probably like during the weekday sometime. And yeah, it just delays everything by fucking days. Like, that's just a huge example right there yesterday that happened. And yeah, I'm actually sitting on the floor right now. Yeah, my house right now is actually infested with fruit flies, so yeah, I'm not chilling there right now. I fucking brought my setup over here. This is all you need right here. Just a MIDI keyboard, headphones, your audio interface, your FL Studio, you know what I'm saying? Some Xbox, your Fortnite. That's all you need right here. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm sorry for the late update. I couldn't do anything about it. I couldn't I couldn't just record boring clips of like I don't know. There was nothing interesting happening, to be honest. Like, I was traveling. I wasn't even in the United States. I went to Mexico like a couple of weeks ago for a whole week, and yeah, I've been just enjoying time, honestly. But yeah, we're back in business though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. It's just gonna be Elijah putting together my engine, And then you guys are gonna see the finished product at the end with my full turbo kit on it and everything. It's gonna be nice. And also, I'm gonna show some clips of my boy Chris's Evo, the blue Evo. I'm gonna have a full review on that car pretty soon. Just wait on it. I put together some teaser clips at the end of this video to show you guys. It's gonna be a badass review. It's fast. But yeah, I'm checking out, boys. See you guys in a couple days. Count on it. Peace.
moments later.
Put that on the screen. How's it going, guys? We're back in the blue Evo. We're actually gonna take a ride right now. The owner gave us permission to go ahead and take pulls, so I'm gonna take you guys on pulls and we'll see how it does. It's pushing on 33 pounds of boost right now, FP black. It's got a 2.3. Yeah, 2.3 stroker. It should be good, it should be fun.